What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today we're in a different location with packages that are not cooperating at the very moment. I don't know, there's a decline here and it just doesn't want to stop moving. So today, oh, it's taking the other one with it. Today, I can't. I can't win right now. Today we're very fortunate. Our good friends over at ProClip have sent us a well, I'm so excited about this. My wife is actually excited about this. If you watched any of the other videos, we just picked up a 2021 Kia Sorento. It's pretty flippin' awesome. I'm very excited about it. But our good friends over at ProClip sent us the ProClip mount for it and also an adjustable holder for small to medium cases. My wife has an iPhone 12 mini. She wanted that one. And she's got a pop socket. So they said that this should fit that. I think it will. It looks like it could. So I'm going to have to just show you how this attaches, show you how cool this looks. Every vehicle I have has a ProClip and will always have a ProClip, so help me God, as long as they stay in business and as long as they make a ProClip for the specific vehicle that I have. And I'll tell you why for a few reasons. One, their customer service is tremendous. They are very honest. They handle their customers like family. They treat you with respect. Their prices are very fair. Their products have been nothing but astounding, every single vehicle I've had. So this was a no-brainer. Once we found out that there was a ProClip for this, we got very excited. Small little cheat here. This is what it's going to look like. So let's open this up. I think just by looking at this that it's going to tuck in somewhere down here and just mount right here, which is cool. Just to let you know, my wife drives this. This is her vehicle. It's a beautiful vehicle, and I try to keep up with this. I was in here wiping smudges and fingerprints off of this piano black, gloss black trim. I knew when we picked this vehicle up, this was going to be the bane of my existence. This was going to cause the death of me. And I wiped this thing down, and you know, any little fuzzy and flurry is going to just make it dirty again. It's driving me bananas, but I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And she loves it, so that's a lot of love going on. Let's see what this all looks like. So this is definitely, you're going to use your teeth. I know COVID, but you know what? I don't care. These ProClips are just incredible. They are thoughtfully made, and I've never had a problem. So it tells you that's exactly kind of what I thought it was going to be. So we're going to take this and we're going to jam this, I guess, in there like that. And then this is going to come up like this. And I mean, if I should have just pulled the thing off and that would have been the whole video. That's how ridiculously easy it is to install a ProClip right there. That would have been the whole video. But it's not the whole video. So the whole video consists of us peeling this off because I'm a stunad and I waited to do that. Now, I just want to make sure where we're going to go. I guess we're going over as far as we can. Does the picture let us know? Oh, we can go closer. Ooh, now I got a dilemma here. Where is she going to want it? Is she going to want it here? Or is she going to want it here? I think here, because the shifter's right here. So, you know, we have this position where it could go here. But like I said, the shifter's right there. I think, you know, it should be positioned like that. I think that would be the smarter move. So I guess all we have to do is just give it a little push there. Let's lift up with two hands so we don't break anything. And freaking ProClip. I love it. I love it. So part 2 of this beautiful dream team is the actual phone mount. They're phone specific. I mean, if we ever bagged this, we'd have a holder for that too. So this one is very much more self-explanatory. What you're going to have to do is take your screwdriver, which I have in my pocket so I don't damage the interior, and you're going to want to take off the center here, like that, and just keep that aside. So you're going to want to take this piece, and it comes with the supplied 4 screws. You're going to just mount it, I guess, any which way you want. You could go, I mean, I don't want to put it too high so it blocks things. I don't want to put it too low so it becomes a pain. So the good thing is we can always move it. I say low is the way to go because there's more important things up, and I think it would look better. Now, what I want you to remember is when you're putting these screws in, don't go all Hulk mode. I know some people think that they have to do that, but you really don't need to do that. What you have to remember is that you're screwing into plastic. You really don't want to go too tight. You really can't go too tight, and you don't need to go too tight. I guess this is what I'm trying to tell you here. That's it. You just go till it snugs up and you're done. Once you get that piece on, you're just gonna carefully assemble this again. Once you get it in, you get it in. I usually leave it so it's tight like this. I can actually maneuver it where, you know, my wife's gonna come in with her phone, so I don't need to tighten it all the way yet until I kind of get an idea of where she's gonna want this phone. Obviously, you know, she's gonna want it pointing at her. But yeah, that's the, you know, final product, final install. I will end this video showing you what it looks like with her phone, but this is what it looks like. I'm very excited. I'm very happy to have this in the wife's whip. This is very solid. This is not going anywhere. Quality parts, quality material, quality company as always. And it looks good. It's a brand new vehicle and you have to have this. Now, I know some people are gonna say, oh, well, you've got this, you know, charging bed, charging pad here. Yeah, we do have that, but you know, we drive with 2 phones a lot of times. We still hook up the USB so we have CarPlay. So we're gonna take our cord, which I took out of here because I was cleaning like a madman, but our cord will come down and it just goes right here. So it's a very easy connection. This is why I can't stand piano black trim. You touch it, you breathe on it, and you say like a gentle lullaby. You do anything to it, you hurt its feelings, and it'll scuff and scratch. But yeah, that's it for right this second. Let me get the phone, and we'll wrap this video up. Okay, so I got this fitted to her phone. It's a little strange, because her phone has this case that's got these like extra bumpers, but she's got this, I know, don't even judge. She's got these damn pop sockets, so the gap for the pop socket actually still works just fine, and we have no issues. I mean, obviously, you know, there's potentially some movement here, but I think, yeah, if I put the pop socket out to 1 level, no movement. But I mean, you're not looking at some crazy movement anyway. I'm probably gonna get her a different case, to be honest with you, anyway. But this is cool. It's nice. I like it. I know she's gonna like it. She has no idea. I just stole her phone. Like I said, this case is a little bit different than other cases. It grips tighter on the ends than here, but because it's still gripping, it's not sitting as tight as, but this is a case issue. This isn't like a phone issue or a clip issue. So that's it. I think it's in a perfect place. It looks cool. It's very clean. I'm very happy with this. I think if we would have went a little bit higher, it wouldn't have been as clean, but I mean, everybody's got a preference. That's why you have to put the option. That's why you have to put the option for that to happen. So that's it. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD OG, thank you so much for passing by. This is just one of those little small videos I wanted to toss up that I'm going to continue to toss up. So if you like this content, please leave a like. Please let me know in the comments section below what you liked about the video and what you want to see more of on the channel. And don't just say burnouts and racing, because that's not going to happen. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you guys on the next one.